Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Yo, watch on me, Jay. Watch our video, man. Madness, man. We're done. You see me? Yeah. Don't fuck around. You see me, yeah.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss there in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. Some of viewers and subscribers, you know what's really sad? When you all wake up in the morning and you hear, so you know, say your brethren get caught up. You know what I mean? You know, you hear your neighbor get caught up. You hear your person who you know but behind him and your friend get caught up. You know, it's just a sad situation. You know? But for some people, sometimes when them hear certain people get caught up, them rejoice. You know what I mean? Because maybe them know how dangerous that person is or how problemized that person that was towards them or towards friends or family towards them. You understand? Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. So now my people, it's where a news has reached the attacking boss about a very deadly incident that took place in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, my people. So them say this thing happened on early Sunday morning, after 1 in the morning, my people. Some people is a surmise dance Saturday, but a Sunday morning, my people, because after 1 in the morning, it have to be Sunday. You understand? Because from 12 it's another day. So, basically, them say a party are going over there in a new market, St. Elizabeth, my viewers and subscribers, saying where a lot of young people attend. You know what I mean? People in a age, middle class attend, my people. So, them say now, this youth now, Zane, who is from an address in St. James, the people, also an address from over there in St. Elizabeth, the people, who goes by the name of Cup. A lot of people know him as the nickname Cup, my people, 28 years old. So, them say this youth, you know what I mean, he was a farmer. You know what I mean? That's what they say, he was a farmer, my people. Cup was a farmer. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So, them say Cup stays a boom now, party are going, there's a Cup of him car park one side of the road. Them say Cup and a friend in the car while another person sit down close towards the car, people. But him and Cup now and a friend or nothing like that. Shortly after that, man them say approach the car and start spray up my people. See? Wet up the car with bullet. Them wet up Cup, wet up the person who in the car with Cup. And the person who was sitting down close to the car, people, also managed to get shot. See? After everything and people rush and run and think police come on the scene. My Cup dead and gone, you know, my people. Dead and gone on the scene. But the two other person, the one was in the car with Cup and the one beside the car will get wet up people, they managed to come to boom now and bring them towards the hospital, my people, while they are there under treatment. Well, Cup dead on the spot, my people, because Cup was the main target. Cup was the one that they wanted. See? As me tell my people, them say Cup, he was a farmer. Jaja says, Jaja knows. In the state of when Cup was killed, my people, basically the car that he was driving, the car when them same own people, a BMW. See? Cup was a party man, was a man who floss in a party, drink up him any of them people. White out, normal color, very natural black man, my people. We not watch man, we not pray man. See? But we are telling that as it is, my people. See? White out. Cup was a farmer. Well, the police theorize and say, yo, the motive behind this is suspected to be lottery scamming, my people. See? So scamming gone bad again, scamming gone wrong again. What deal went wrong, what happened? See? And when them say Cup is a farmer, my people, me have to think, I wonder what kind of farmer is he? Eh? Is he a farmer who go up on the farm, go farm? Or he is the owner of a farm? That's what I want to know, because the owner of a farm is different from the man who is farming, my people. It's two different ambition. So the owner is like a businessman and the man who is doing the farming is the farmer. Eh? So is Cup the farmer or Cup the owner of a farm who is the businessman? Because basically people Cup don't look like the farmer to me. You know what I mean? No, so Cup don't look like the man we are going to go dig no potato hole and dig no yamil and then something and plant no potato and plant no sweet pepper and plant no pepper them something and own and scale. No! Eh? Cup look like something different. And by going through Cup social media, my viewers and subscribers, boy, it can indicate no reason for a Cup to be a farmer, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Eh? Cup ambition basically when me look on social media and say he was a youth who differently say, yo, look at the man. He might go for where he wants, no matter what it takes. He might go get where he wants. You see that get rich or die trying. And Cup was on the road, my people. But what Cup was doing? Deal went wrong. We all hear the word, my people. And they all hear the song. We not buy no gun. Who teacher Vanessa Bling sing it. We not support no war. Big up the man them star from near and far. Them call it scare. Okay. So Cup basically was in them something I look like my people. According to a police and them suspected that just coming behind it, my people. What? Cup make a deal went wrong? Eh? Our Cup not share something right. Our Cup go around somebody. And this is how it turned out to be, my people. Cup was targeted. Right there in BMW, my people. West up in BMW. See him BMW when post up in a picture with them NEC. And Cup was a NEC man, my people. Love him NEC. You understand? Lot of picture from even before when him start do him a do or before him start change up color or anything, people. Cup was a NEC man, my people. But him dead and him gone. See it? Slap right over there in a new market center, respect my viewers and subscribers. And when we want to send out to a lot of people, see? Look here, youths. Me understand so they want it. Me understand so they need it. See? I can't tell you what to do because me can't choose your man. Me can't go and advise. If you decide that the game you want to go in, you have to think a lot of consequences. Because a lot of people intending to go into this game want to play the game, don't want to play it fair. Some playing the game fair, but still others blaming them, so them playing the game wrong. Because once you're doing wrong activities with people, there can be a lot of consequences come towards it. You may doing good in it, you may doing bad. But there are going to be a lot of different consequences. As I tell you playing the game fair and doing good, but them still say the bad. You understand? You will get your chum see and you share it right, but them still say share it wrong. And that's how it goes now, where life becomes at risk. 3 points easily forget take away now. You know what I mean? Because a lot of payments have come from different angles. The boy not fear now. The boy not good enough. The boy go around with the boy style way. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So my viewers and my subscribers, you know what I mean? And me I tell you say that the youths them want to go in the game of people, but them don't want to do the thing right. While some doing it right and them still get blamed for doing it wrong. See? And sadly, see them people, Cup get wet up. Cup get slapped with. Cup gone. BMW did the same way. Him any see the way Magic did the same way. Whatever money him have did the same way. If him have the farm, the farm did the same way with the worker them pan it, because Cup definitely wasn't the farmer. No sir. See? But them say Cup was a farmer. You would think about it before you make the choice. Eh? This a game and an easy game, you know. The money sweet, the money nice, the car nice, the house nice, everything nice. But what about a life? Is it worth it? Eh? Cup is what? 28 years old, my people. Cup not live no life yet, man. The other youth in the car get wet up with him how much? 22, young local youth. And the other person was sitting beside the car with them said don't know Cup or anything like that. And nothing to do with whatever Cup in a people. 28 years old also. Be a young people them. But you see it? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, the party, it wasn't an illegal party, you know, my people. Because based on the information that I received from the police, them said they do get permit, you understand, to keep this party. Because you know them request them permit and they do. So it wasn't an illegal one. But Cup was definitely targeted. So my people, big up on yourself, more love, more blessings, and more respect, man. And thanks for the love, thanks for the support, the like, the share, and the comments for people. Remember to do, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss for people. One love, you know, one team, one scheme, one dream. And I hope your day, your night, your morning has been productive, my people, you understand? With the Almighty by your side. And just remember, my people, in this world is so evilous. And the devil is out there and he's trying to conquer, you understand, the good ones of people. But just put God first in everything that you are doing, my people. No matter what the stumbling blocks and the barriers they may put in front of my people and they may stop certain things. But remember, you know, people, them can't stop God. You understand? Because with the Almighty, all is possible, people. So just put God first. That's all I can tell my people. pray. Thank him for rise you up this morning. Thank you for carry out throughout the day, whatever the people for the local food, we get the local water, we drink, give him thanks for it. Because some people out there, them not have nothing. You understand? And just continue the right thing. My people, peace out. Love you all. And again, thanks for the love and the support, my people. You don't know, one team, one dream, one scheme, one attack. Big up. Attack them NEWLINK. Don't know the thing go. Attack.